Hello people of YouTube and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to do a video of what I like about Windows 8. I did a video about what I dislike about Windows 8. I did that in like December 2014, so kind of like last year basically. And I did a video what I like about Mac and what I dislike about Mac. And that video, what I dislike about Windows 8, may have came off that I do dislike Windows 8. I do not. Some features I may dislike, but you know, it's the same with every operating system. It's not perfect. No operating system is perfect. So, I don't actually dislike Windows 8 because I use it as my everyday operating system, and I'm happy with using it as my everyday operating system. So, here is a few things I really like about it that Windows 7 and below don't have. Number one has got to be the task manager. I love how you can just check your CPU memory and disk and network just from the first tab process. But I think that's really cool. You don't have to click performance all the time just to check your CPU and memory. You can click that, and I do like how it's displayed, how it looks with those colours instead of that dark greenish I had before, which looked okay, but that nice blue and that nice purple colour and that nice greenish colour and brown, I guess, is a lot nicer. I also like on the first tab, well, it's now called apps, but it used to be called programs, but you know, same sort of thing, right? I like how you can scroll down and you can see what's running in the background, so it's easier to tell if there's something malicious, because it has icons on the side, which is something I really like. And then there's like Windows Surface process as well, what's running in the Windows thing on the background process, like your antivirus, your Google Drives, your Windows 10 update, and stuff like that. Oh yeah, something else I like about the Task Manager. It's so easy to just it's so easy just to set what you want to log in when you, well, to disable things and stuff when you log into your computer, because you know, when you download stuff, some things automatically open or run in the background, which can cause your computer to slow down a bit when it, well, sort of it can, and also it can make the computer log in a lot slower. Like if you, and some things open automatically, like Skype, Spotify, I think. Did with me one time, so I disabled it. And just disable things you don't really want running in the background, like OneNote, well, you might, but QuickTime, no thanks. I just find that so cool. It's just easy just to disable things and re-enable things to log in and start up. If right through the Task Manager. You used to have to go into MS Config and do it that way, and not a lot of people know that. Number 2, start screen, chance bar, and the touch feature. Right, okay, I know I may have said I dislike the start screen and chance bar, but I do. On a desktop PC, like when I'm using now, for example. So I just disabled the chance bar and just never use the start screen, and even set it so it logs into the desktop. Sorry about that. Yeah, on a desktop PC, I don't like touch features unless it's a touchscreen monitor, but I still wouldn't use the touch features on a touchscreen monitor, because on a desktop PC or a laptop, well, I'm saying this, I use my tablet and laptop mode all the time, I guess, the keyboard. On a desktop PC, I definitely like using the keyboard and mouse. So I'm so old school, I guess, for liking that better. But I like these features on a touchscreen device. For example, a Surface tablet or any Windows tablet out there, or touchscreen laptop. But I still probably would be interested in touchscreen laptop, because I wouldn't use the touch. But I use the touch features on my tablet quite a bit, and I'm okay with the start screen on the tablet, even when I use the mouse or the chance bar as well, which I don't even use much. Yeah, it can be annoying at times when it comes out of nowhere. When you accidentally put your mouse in the corner, then bam, go away. I just find the touch features quite cool on a touchscreen device, like a Windows tablet. Number 3, I really like the emoji/emoticons. Same thing. I think it's awesome how Windows 8, Windows 7 and older do not have these, because I've noticed. I find it cool how Windows 8 does have emote icons, like iOS and Android now does. Well, iOS probably had it along. I find it so cool how Windows 8 has these You can get them on those touch keyboards, even if you bring up the, I think the on-screen keyboard, you probably can get them. But on the touch keyboard you can, and I see them on my tablet, and they're also on my desktop PC, but I never really use them. I usually go to the emote icon first. And I find it quite cool how you can use them in Windows 8, and they also show up on some applications. They don't show up in all of them, which is slightly annoying. They show up as symbols mostly anyway, so, you know, which is quite cool. They don't show up as a stupid little square, like in older versions of Windows and older versions of Mac and older versions of, I don't think they show up in Linux yet. They show up in browsers like Firefox. Internet Explorer, they show up as symbols, because I know on my tablet, so I use it in there because I have no choice. But I'm okay with. Really cool. They don't show up in Chrome or Torch or Maxfon. They show up as squares on Maxfon. It's number 4, Windows Explorer, and you're like, wow, all Windows have Windows Explorer. I know, that folder icon thing where you search your document, obviously you all know that. In the Mac you call it Finder, and in Linux you call it Home. No way, I don't even know what you call it in Linux, sorry. I think it's quite cool how it's kind of got the Office 2013 style with that tab thing, well not the tab thing, whatever it's called, the ribbon thing, isn't it, at the top? And it's got like big icons, and you know me with my icons, I like them big. Explains my big icons in my, on my desktop, when I search for files. I always make them big, I'll be like, large icons please. And it's just cool how this ribbon thing at the top has icons. Number 5, not that I use it, maybe on my tablet sometimes, but because I have no choice obviously. I find it quite cool how Windows 8 has a pre-installed antivirus called Windows Defender. I think it's quite cool how it has a built-in antivirus. Yeah, Windows Defender is basically Microsoft Security Essentials. In my experience, those antiviruses are both complete crap in my experience. But obviously it might work well with some people, so if it works well with you, great. As long as you're using it alongside with Malwarebytes, sorry, I'm not good. Some people it works great with, but I've just had bad experience with it. Even Windows Defender, I used to use it and I was like, nope, it didn't save me or detect any viruses, and then I downloaded another antivirus and it detected them all, so never really worked for me. I don't know. And Microsoft Security Essentials, from my experience, that was just, yeah. But I guess it's decent though from what I'm seeing. I don't know if it's improved or what, because I don't use it obviously. But yeah, it's a decent antivirus, and I'm sure Microsoft are going to improve it, like they've improved their Internet Explorer actually. I would even say that, even though I don't use it very often in my tablet. They've actually improved it quite a lot with the security reasons and the speed. Not that I use it on any other computer on my tablet, but yeah. Windows Defender, I guess it's a decent antivirus, but just never really worked for me, and I don't recommend it. But I guess if you're like me, and you haven't had a virus in forever, then I guess. Number 6, I guess I like how when you can log in, well, you can go into your right click and then click properties, right click on taskbar, then click properties, which is like taskbar and navigation properties, and then you can set it when you log into your computer, your desktop shows up instead of that start screen. I did that on my tablet and my desktop PC, so much better. It's like logging in to Windows and seeing a desktop instead of that start screen. So much better. And also the option to download a start menu like I have on my desktop PC. I have a start menu on my desktop PC because I like it. And yes, I can switch to the modern start screen UI, but I have like nothing on it because I don't use it whatsoever on this computer. I like how Windows 8 does let you download a start menu, so that's pretty awesome. I cannot think of any more things that I like about Windows 8. But everything that I do like about Windows 8 is also in the previous versions of Windows, so I've always liked it from those versions of Windows, I guess. Windows 8.1 is definitely way better than Windows 8, the original Windows 8. That was way more confusing, well, kinda. It was more of a learning curve for new users who's not that tech savvy and stuff. And Windows 8.1 is adding some more features like to be able to log onto your computer and see your desktop. You couldn't do that in Windows 8, which is annoying. But everything else I like about Windows 8 is obviously in the previous versions of Windows, like Windows 7, Windows Vista, etc. I don't know if it's any older, but probably is. I don't know. So I hope you have a nice day. Bye!